This is crazy. This is crazy. Like, this isn't even like a bad hill in freaking San Francisco. I really should have been taping 5 minutes ago. Can I tell you that they made me stop in the middle of a big hill and the car was skidding? This is crazy. I don't know about San Francisco. Then they have these little nets on the top, so now I feel like a spider. I feel like a spider in San Francisco. Like, what is all of these nets? They tell me it's for the buses. The buses look like predators. I don't know what's going on. Just thought that I'd share. Oh, here comes a bus now. Oh, I think it's a stoplight. But there's the bus, electric buses. All right, bye. Bye, guys. This is the man that tried to kill me.
What do you mean?
What do you mean, what I mean? You put me on Lombard Street, the steepest street in the whole freaking of San Francisco.
You didn't drive down.
Listen.
You drove down Crooked Street?
Listen.
You drove down.
He tried to kill me. He tried to kill me. He tried to kill me.